Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Fit's display language. First, locate the Settings or Menu button on your car's infotainment system. This button is usually found near the screen or on the steering wheel controls. Press it to access the main system options. Remember to ensure your vehicle is safely in park before attempting any adjustments to the system settings for your safety and convenience. Once you're in the main system options, you'll need to navigate through the various choices. Use the control knob or touchscreen to scroll until you find System Settings or General Settings. Select this option to proceed to the next level of configurations. Within this new menu, carefully look for a submenu specifically labeled Language or Display Language to continue the process. After selecting the language option, a comprehensive list of all available languages will appear on your Honda Fit's display screen. Take your time to review the options. Use the control knob, buttons, or the touchscreen interface to highlight your desired language from the list. Once you've made your choice, confirm your selection to apply the new language setting to your vehicle's infotainment system. Upon confirming your selection, the system will update, and the display language on your Honda Fit will change immediately. Take a moment to verify that all menus, prompts, and information are now presented in your newly chosen language. This ensures the change was successful. Also, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below. It's perfect for any journey.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.